Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today it's really special. I won a giveaway, DIY crafting giveaway hosted by Krafty Leeny. I'm gonna leave you in the description box below the link for her channel so you can go and check her out. She's awesome. Now let me show you everything I got. And here is what we got. I'm so excited. This is Dollar Tree stuff. And you know I don't have a Dollar Tree. So now let's jump into everything that's here. First, I got this beautiful note. I read it. Thank you, Leeny. You're the sweetest. I love you, girl. Now we have Flora. This cute pot to put a succulent. I love my succulents. And over here we have this beautiful bag kind of box. I love it, so cute. Here we have beautiful kitchen towel from Halloween and the mitten. I love them. Over here we have this beauty. And it's the thankful and blessed sign from Dollar Tree. Look at that. I'm so in love with it. And now, oh my goodness, I've always wanted one of these. We have the windmill. This cutie, I'm so in love with it. And now we have a wooden jack-o'-lantern cutout that I'm going to craft really soon. This bottle that I will use for sure, and this beautiful sign. I always love those. Here we have a wooden cutout of a haunted house. You'll see that really soon. And we have this beautiful sugar skull wooden cutout. Love it. You'll see it really soon also. And look at this. I've always wanted one of those. How cute. I got my pumpkin red truck. And over here, well, you know me, I'm a witch. And I got the wicked sign cut out. I love it. I just want to take this opportunity to thank her for this awesome box of lots of Dollar Tree goodies. I'm so in love. Thank you, girl. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye. Remember that if you like modern farmhouse, boho decor, and lots of silly jokes, that's what I do here, so subscribe. And also, here I'm gonna leave you my social media so you can go and check me out over there too. Take care.